Hi, welcome to Voices, where we talk about issues from a faith-filled point of view. I'm Kim Whitley.
And I'm Chanel Haynes, and today we are talking about how to prepare life without marriage.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot of pressures, I think, from society to get married, from our families, our friends.
Barbie and Ken.
Now, let me explain something about Barbie and Ken. That was precious to be single. I mean, single and thin.
She had everything.
The toys and the car.
A Corvette, come on. I'm so happy. Today, we're going to look at some clips from the movie Soulmate, which is just amazing. And it's all around the expectations that women have about marriage. So let's take a look.
Okay, we're going to look at the clip right
Let's look at the clip.
I remember going to church to the singles ministry. And the pastor has said, he said, ladies, if you're tired of being out there dating all these men and you want to get married, then you need to stop and take yourself off the market. Yeah, all right, girl. You look good. See, you do it. I was sitting in there. That didn't feel good to me because I walked out the aisle. I said, Pastor, when you're 18, you can take yourself off the market. I'm in my 30s. Not only am I not off the market, I'm in the front aisle with a clearance sign right across my chest. Se habla español?
Okay, well, we have a couple of guests here to help us discuss this issue. We have actress and producer Tangi Miller, and we have Wendy McKinney, the president of the Women's Department at the St. Stephen's Cathedral Church of God in Christ.
Welcome, ladies.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here.
Okay.
What do you guys think of that clip? I mean, first of all, she's hilarious.
Well, are you single?
Yeah, I am single, and I'm dating, so I guess that's kind of single. I think it's a real issue, so much so I did a movie about it.
Okay.
It's called Love and Other Four-Letter Words, and it's about a woman who fakes her wedding to save her dying grandmother, and her whole life she's been chasing her career, which is, I think, some of the reasons we don't, I guess, get married as soon as we used to, is because we prepare to live. We prepare, we go to college. After we go to college, if we're lucky, we go to graduate school. After graduate school, we're starting our career. Next thing you know, you're 30, 35, and then, okay, you're pushing 40, you got to get married and have a baby. So I think that the society right now, we're kind of set up to prepare to live. And then before you know it, when you get into your groove, you're in your 30s, and then you've got to find somebody, and at that point you're kind of settled and in your ways, and it's hard to match up because it's like you don't have to do it.
Right.
But I don't want to take the floor. So
I was going to just ask Wendy. What's the difference you would say, like when you first got married, your generation versus some of the things that women in our generation experience? What do you see as like the biggest challenge or difference you see?
Quite honestly, when you talk about preparing for marriage, to me, it's the same as preparing for life, because as you prepare for marriage and as you prepare for life, you have identified what your purpose is and who you are. You're focusing on being healthy. You're focusing on being spiritually strong. You're focusing on everything financially. You're preparing yourself for life. So it's the same thing. And that's probably one of the challenges that we have, is that we think you have to prepare yourself for this individual, for this person, when you need to be whole yourself as an individual. Then you'll be ready for marriage. You'll be ready for a great career as a producer, as an actress, as a singer, whatever. It's just about being whole and preparing yourself for life.
Absolutely. We're going to keep going. We'll be right back after these commercials. This is awesome.
We'll be back in a minute with more Voices.
All my smart friends are still single. We're the most unpartnered people in the United States, Black women are.
Are you still waiting to exhale?
What I want is a man that God has sent for me.
Buy a copy of Soulmate, the documentary that gives Christian women hope and practical advice about loneliness, desire, biological clock, and uncertainty about the future. Order your copy of Soulmate at ChristianCinemaOnline.com today.